Okay, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the painting challenge from the Hack the Web platform. So what's going on here? So I said I never had the patience for art, but this connection between art and technology fascinates me. It's crazy how you can create a picture with simple characters. You have surely recognized the motif. The name of the painting is your answer. So I mean, what's going on here? What we're introduced to here is the concept of ASCII art. So for people who have been on the internet for a long time, ASCII art is um, not very unfamiliar, but for people who are new, maybe you haven't seen it before. Okay, so we see a depiction of a famous painting using ASCII art. And ASCII art, well, let's talk about this. So in this challenge, we're told to identify a piece of ASCII art. But what is ASCII art? ASCII art pieces are images created out of ASCII characters. So there's letters, numbers, and symbols. It can be typed with a standard American keyboard. It's not just a standard American keyboard, but that's the way it started off. We call it ASCII art because it's art made out of printable characters. So although more complicated ASCII art pieces can use characters from any encoding set, such as Unicode, so basically any typable character can be used as part of ASCII art. So in this case, what we're trying to do is we're trying to identify a painting that was created with ASCII art. Although we may be able to guess the name of the famous painting this ASCII art represents, we could do some research if we didn't know. So we probably know that this is the Mona Lisa, if we have been exposed to art before, but if we didn't know, we could do a little bit of research. Okay, so when we're doing our research here, a really big clue is the signature on this piece of art by this person named Normand Velo. I think that's how you pronounce it. So what you could do is you could do a little bit of research. So we go over to our good old Google and search up ASCII art painting by Normand Velu. Then we take a look at some images, and we see this one over here. Well, I mean, we see we see a lot of different stuff, and I think we see the painting in question. So this little thread on Reddit, it's talking about the Mona Lisa. Okay, Mona Lisa, ASCII, this number of characters. So with a little bit of research, we could figure out what is actually going on here, and we might be able to like Google reverse image search this as well. Let's do a little Google reverse image search. So I guess the first thing we need to do is we need to screenshot this because the ASCII art isn't gonna really, it's not an image. So how can we create the screenshot? Okay. Okay. Take screenshot and then click and drag on the page to select a region. Press escape to cancel. Okay. So let's drag this thing. Okay, and then download. Okay, so we got our screenshot now, and then we can go over to the Google results, and then we can upload a file. So I think I don't know where that would have saved to. Maybe the downloads directory? Okay, so we got the screenshot in the downloads directory. We'll try opening this up. Okay, and this is it over here. So select, it's interpreted as text. That's funny. I mean, this is supposed to be interpreted as an image. Let's go down. Okay, so we see the different examples of this ASCII image, and I think the one we're looking for is this one. We find the same the same Reddit thread over here. It says Mona Lisa, so we're able to find it two different ways. And let's go back. So eventually, we would be led to the answer that this is actually a painting called the Mona Lisa. So we use Mona Lisa as the answer over here. Okay, so we'll just click into here, Mona Lisa Go. And it says Mona Lisa is correct. All right, everybody, I hope you had a lot of fun learning about ASCII art. This was a guided walkthrough for the painting challenge from the Hack the Web platform. And if you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.